Good morning, guys. I am Sandeep Kumar Reddy from Ingenious Competitive Training Academy. Today, we'll be discussing about the organizations as well as their main motto and the insignia. So, this is one thing you have to remember. Every organization has one insignia. It's also known as symbol of that organization. So, as you can see here, Assam Rifles and BSF has got different insignia, and we'll be discussing about the armed forces and paramilitary forces respective insignia. Let us start with the video, and I want you guys to have a look in playlist where you will find more than 1600 plus videos. So initially we must remember India's what exactly the national emblem of India. So that is lion capital of Ashoka. As you can see, we have the 4 lines. The 4th line is just behind the front line. Here, what exactly the meaning of respective animals? Total we have lion, elephant, horse and bull. So here we can't see the elephant because the elephant is just behind this Ashoka wheel. There is a Ashoka wheel. In that we have elephant, lion, bull and horse. If you see that, you will find 4 animals. So lion indicates courage and power. Elephant, which indicates huge and strong strength. Horse, which is known for speed. Bull, it's for power. And we have this Ashoka wheel, in which we have 24 spokes. That indicates rock addicts of Ashoka. So this is what exactly Ashoka wheel, and it also depicts progress. Please remember, whatever the words I am using, focus on those words. Depicts, it means indicates. Next we have Indian Army. We are aware that among all the forces, Indian Army has got the maximum strength. The Indian Army symbol, it's a cross of 2 swords. Over to that lion capital of Ashoka, you can see the main motto of Indian Army is service before self. अपने आगे सर्विस देते हैं, खुद पे आगे. When it comes to the Indian Navy, we have the anchor. We know that anchor is used for the ship to moor during the when it is at sea. So ship, what happens is that directly stand at one place by dropping the anchor. That cable will have that directly touches the ground and it will hold at some place. It will not drift away. So that is the anchor. Over to that, there is a national emblem. So here Indian Navy's motto is Sham no Varuna. It means may the Lord of the water be auspicious unto us. So इसका ये मतलब होता है. And we have, this is what exactly the symbol. Next, if we say Indian Air Force, we have like this, an eagle with Ashoka emblem is over to that. So everywhere you can see Ashoka emblem in armed forces. Now we have, the motto is Vayusena's motto, Nabha Sparsham Diptam, touch the sky with the glory. So whatever the words have been given, it is given in the language of Sanskrit. So it means touch the sky with the glory. So this is what exactly the Indian Air Force insignia is. Next we have the Indian Coast Guard, which is the 4th one. Here these are the 4 forces which are included in armed forces. Indian Coast Guard's motto is we protect Vayam Raksham. This is what exactly the meaning is, we protect. So you can see how exactly 2 anchors you will find in Bharati Tatrakshak, that is Indian Coast Guard. When it comes to BSF, that is Border Security Force, Jeevan Paryant Kartavya, it means duty unto death. This is what exactly the meaning of Border Security Force motto. You can see the branch over there. In between we have national emblem. When it comes to the CISF, Central Industrial Security Force, this is what exactly we have to remember. The main motto of Central Industrial Security Force is protection and security. This is what Samrakshan Evam Suraksha. This CISF, whatever we have here, this type of CISF, we knew that wherever industries we have NTPC, airports and dockyards, wherever we can see here. In airports we will find CISF personnel, as well as we have in a greater places like government organization, you will find CISF people and the security. Next we have SSB. Here SSB we have Sahastra Seema Bal. So as you can see, Sahastra Seema Bal's motto is service, security and brotherhood. This is what exactly the motto of SSB, Sashastra Seema Bal, Seva, Suraksha and Bandhutva. This is what exactly the meaning of SSB. If we say this is what we find in paramilitary forces, CISF, BSF, Assam Rifles and SSB and many more. We have Assam Rifles, as you can see, valor, glory and sacrifice. This is what exactly the main intention of it. Sentinels of the Northeast, we call it as, and the motto valor, glory and sacrifice. So we also call Assam Rifles as Sentinels of Northeast. So you can see how exactly the Assam Rifles insignia indicates. When it comes to the Central Reserve Police Force, this is what exactly we have to remember. Service and loyalty is their motto. You can see how exactly the symbol depicts the Ashok Chakra, and over to that we have the cross of national flag. And remember guys, the dimensions of national flag we have, length is 3 meters and 3:2 ratio we must have, length is to breadth. Here we have the Union Public Service Commission. As you can see to the right side how exactly the symbol of UPSC, Sangh Lok Seva Ayog. This is what exactly the UPSC is. And I want you guys to comment me in the section what exactly the motto of SSC, Staff Selection Commission. And here the motto of UPSC is Sangh Lok Seva Ayog. And next we have NSG, National Security Guard. Here Sarvatra Sarvottam Suraksha. It means omnipresent, everywhere we are present, and omnipotent, powerful and defense. So omnipotent, defense. So omnipresent, omnipotent and defense. This is what exactly National Security Guard's insignia indicates. So you can see how exactly everywhere which is common, that is national capital, line capital of Ashoka. This is common in every insignia. Next we have ITBP, which stands for Indo-Tibetan Border Police. Here motto of it is Shaur Dridhata Karam Nishtha. So this is valor, steadfastness and commitment. What exactly the meaning of Indo-Tibetan Border Police? You can see everywhere we have the common line capital of Ashoka. I want you guys to comment me in the comment section what exactly the motto of Indian Railways. So you can see how exactly railways indicates, and I want you guys to give the whatever the motto we have Indian Railways. So these are the few symbols and organizations whatever they have. I hope whatever has been given, I did my best to provide you the best material. If you want a material, you can purchase from me. I can give you hard copies to your home. Thank you guys. Have a good day. Have a great life.